people, welcome back to my channel. Today let's interpret some ABG readings with fun. The normal range of the blood pH is 7.35 to 7.45. Any value less than 7.35 is the acidic value and any value of pH more than 7.45 is the alkaline value. Coming to the partial pressure of carbon dioxide, which is the respiratory indicator, the normal value being 35 to 45 millimeters of Hg. Any value of PCO2 that is less than 35 millimeters of Hg, it is an alkaline value, and any value of PCO2 that is more than 45 millimeters of Hg, it is the acidic value. Next we have HCO3 being the metabolic indicator. The normal level of bicarbonate is 22 to 26 milliequivalents per liter. Any value of HCO3 less than 22 is the acidic value and any value of HCO3 more than 26 is the alkaline value. So to maintain the blood pH, the respiratory indicator and the metabolic indicator plays the very vital role. Coming up next, the pH value is actually inversely proportional to the partial pressure of carbon dioxide, and on the other hand the pH value is directly proportional to the bicarbonate value. Now let's see how to interpret ABG. From the pH, PCO2 and HCO3 values we'll learn about acidosis or alkalosis, then it is respiratory or metabolic, and also most importantly, how about the compensation? Uncompensated, partially compensated or fully compensated. Now we all know that to maintain blood pH, both the respiratory system and the renal system comes into action. That is, both the respiratory indicator and the metabolic indicator must come into action. If pH level is deranged due to PCO2 level, then the HCO3 level goes deranged in order to maintain the normal blood pH. Similarly, if pH is deranged due to HCO3 level, then the PCO2 level goes out of range to bring back pH level to normal. After all this, if pH level comes back to normal, we call it fully compensation, and if not, then partial compensation. But on the other scenario, if pH is deranged due to HCO3 level but PCO2 level remains normal, having no effect on the pH level, we can say this is the case of uncompensation. We will learn this with the help of tic-tac-toe method. Okay, so it's just a revision in the table form. The normal value of pH is 7.35 to 45. Value less than 7.35 is acidic. pH value more than 7.45 is alkaline. PCO2 normal value is 35 to 45. More than 45 is the acidic value and less than 35 is the alkaline value. HCO3 normal is 22 to 26. Any value less than 22 is acidic value and any value more than 26 is the alkaline value. As learned previously, CO2 and pH values are inversely proportional. When the CO2 values are up, pH goes down, indicating respiratory acidosis. CO2 value down, the pH goes up, indicating respiratory alkalosis. HCO3 and pH on the other hand are directly proportional. Both the values goes up, indicating metabolic alkalosis, and if HCO3 pH values are down, indicates metabolic acidosis. Okay, so pH value given is 7.25, CO2 52 and HCO3 25. We'll put this accordingly. pH is acidic value, CO2 being the acidic value, and HCO3 here is normal. So using tic-tac-toe, here it's the respiratory acidotic condition, but whether it is compensated or not, it is not compensated because HCO3 value is normal. If there would have been compensation, HCO3 value would be deranged. This is the case of respiratory acidosis uncompensated. Now pH is 7.30, CO2 40 and HCO3 18. We will put these values according to the table format. we can see pH is acidic, HCO3 is acidic, and CO2 is in the normal value. So pH is having a problem due to HCO3. This is a metabolic acidosis but uncompensated as CO2 value is in normal range. Next, pH is 7.42, CO2 value is 26 and HCO3 is 18. Over here we can see HCO3 is an acidic value and CO2 is the alkaline value. But which factor is influencing pH? pH here is 7.42. We will assume pH 7.40 as the best normal value. pH value from 7.35 to 7.40 is the normal but slightly inclined to acidic. Similarly, pH 7.40 to 7.45 is a ranged pH value, normal but alkaline inclined. So in this case, pH is influenced by the respiratory indicator. So CO2 over here is influencing pH, resulting in respiratory alkalosis. But the HCO3 value is deranged, so compensation is going on, but HCO3 is going deranged, bringing pH back to normal. So this is the fully compensated respiratory alkalosis. Next, pH is 7.51, CO2 47, HCO3 is 32. pH here is alkaline, HCO3 is again alkaline and CO2 value is acidic value. So according to tic-tac-toe, the pH level is influenced by the metabolic indicator resulting in metabolic alkalosis. But here CO2 value is deranged, acidic in nature, but it is unable to bring the pH value back to normal. It is deranged, but it is unable to bring pH back to normal, resulting in partially compensated metabolic alkalosis. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe for more videos and comment down below the answer of the following ABG reading.